Restoration is an important part of the work that the Takshonuk Watershed Council does. Many culverts weren't placed with fish in mind and prohibit fish from reaching critical spawning and rearing habitat. Takshonuk has worked to identify and replace these culverts in an exciting and challenging process involving several agencies and a great deal of planning. But the payoffs are great. Once the barriers are removed, streams live up to their full potential as fish producers. Even the most insignificant stream can be an astonishing salmon producer. In order to emulate natural conditions at stream crossings, willows, alders, and some grasses are planted in disturbed areas. This vegetation provides needed cover for young fish. This sensitivity to anadromous fish life history needs represents a shift in thinking, and in the future will lead to a better understanding among designers and engineers regarding the roads that cross streams. The Takshonuk Watershed Council is committed to improving the health of the watershed that we all use.